The first is I want to ask someone not to reveal or disclose it or to keep it as a secret. The basic is we will reach there by 6 p.m. Don't tell anyone or don't disclose it. Keep it as a secret. The same in advanced would be we'll reach there by 6 p.m. Don't spill the beans. Now, other words or phrases that can be used in place of not to spill the beans are do not reveal, do not blurt out. These are advanced forms that could be used. Do not make it public, do not broadcast it, do not blow the lid off, don't blow the gaff, do not make an exhibition of it, don't lay it bare. Okay. The second is I want to say to stop moving. So I would say stop moving the desk. I'm not able to write. Another word in place of it would be stop wobbling the desk. I can't write. Or another example would be she is wobbling between tears and anger. Other synonyms are shaking, vibrating, she is swaying, oscillating, tether, waver,